Okay, hi everybody. In front of me I have lots of different types of fruit. We're going to cut them open and see how many seeds we can find in each one. First, we'll start, here I have a nectarine, an avocado, an apricot, an orange, a pear, a tomato, kiwi, and an apple. I'm going to start with this apricot. Oh wow! This seed takes up a lot of space inside of this apricot. You see how big this seed is compared to how much fruit there is? How many seeds do you see inside of here? Yeah, just one. I have something called a graph. And this, we're going to mark how many seeds we find in each fruit. Here's my picture of my apricot. I'm going to draw a line at 1 because we found just one seed in the apricot. Just one. Next, I'm going to cut open the kiwi. Whoa, do you see all of those black dots? All of those are seeds. We may not have time to count all of them, but let's try and take them out of the kiwi. If I pick these out, look how tiny that is. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa, this is going to be way off our graph, and we haven't gotten anywhere close to how many seeds are in there. Look how tiny they are. The apricot could only fit one seed inside, and it took up most of the room. This kiwi, I bet there's hundreds of seeds in here. Look how tiny they are. So on our graph only goes up to 10. You see this number 10? It goes up to 10. I'm just going to draw a line all the way off the paper because there's way more than 10. Wow. All right, next we'll do the apple. What's the best way? cut open this apple. How big do you think these seeds are going to be? Do you think they take up the whole inside? Oh, no. They're just in the middle. There's a lot of apple around them. Let's see how many seeds there are. Here, I'll take them out first. All right, we got all the seeds out. You help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These seeds are a lot smaller than the apricot seeds, but a lot bigger than the tiny, tiny kiwi seeds. On my graph, I'm going to mark up to 8. All right, next is the orange. Uh-oh. There are no seeds in my orange. Well, nope, no seeds. I'm gonna mark 0. I'm not gonna draw any line on my orange. Usually there's some, and usually they're about the size of an apple seed. All right, next is the avocado. How many of you have eaten an avocado? Oh, how many seeds do you see? Yeah, there's 1 seed inside. That's a pretty big seed. That's, whoop, slippery. Bigger than the apricot seed. You can't see that. Bigger than the apricot seed. Way bigger than the kiwi seeds. A lot bigger than the apple seeds. Oop, no orange seeds to compare it to. It's a really big seed. And there's just 1. It takes up a good part of the avocado. All right, next we've got 3 more. Sorry. Next is the nectarine. It's pretty right. So hopefully it slides off. Oh, how many seeds do you see in there? Yeah, 1. And is it super teeny tiny, or is it pretty big? Yeah, it's pretty big. Oop, I forgot to mark my avocado on the graph. We'll do that next. This nectarine seed, let's compare it to our other seeds. It's bigger than our apricot, similar, way bigger than all of those kiwi seeds, bigger than the apple seed, similar to the avocado seed. That's the nectarine. We'll mark on our graph. 1 for the avocado and 1 for the nectarine. Next is our pear. Let's see. There's a few seeds in here. Wow, are those very big or are those pretty small compared to this pear? Yeah, they're pretty small. Take them all out and then we'll count them. All right, for our pear, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seeds. Let's compare them to our other seeds. Here's a pear seed compared to an apricot seed. Oh, that's a lot smaller. Compared to the kiwi seed, that's a lot bigger. Compared to our apple seed, wow, those are almost exactly the same size. Compared to our avocado seed, whoa, that's way smaller. And compared to our nectarine seed, it's also way smaller. Let's mark it on our graph that there were 8 pear seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the same number as our apple seeds. Last one. Our tomato. Whoa, look at all those seeds inside. Let's see if we can count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa, and there's even more in here still. You see how small that tomato seed is? And there's tons of tomato seeds inside of this tiny tomato. I'm going to draw a line that's off the graph for this one too. Just like for our kiwi seeds, we have way more than 10. So if we look at our graph, we had a couple fruits that had way more than 10 seeds, and both of those seeds were really tiny, the tomato seed and the kiwi seeds. We had a couple fruits that both had 8 seeds, and those seeds were the same size, kind of a medium size, the apples and the pears. And then we had 3 fruits that had just 1 seed. The apricot, the avocado and the nectarine all had really big seeds. Do you notice a pattern with that? All of the ones that had small seeds could fit more seeds inside, and all of the fruits with a bigger seed could only fit one. Pretty cool. You can do this at home too. See you later.